how to delete a data table in your n8n. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and short tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can quickly delete a data table from your n8n instance. So the first thing that we're going to do is simply launch our n8n instance. Since I use my n8n locally, I have launched my local n8n instance. Now, once your instance has successfully launched, click onto this data tables option to see all of your available data tables. Now, if you wish to delete any particular data table, simply click onto these three dots over that particular data table and then click onto this delete option. Once you will do this, a confirmation will pop up which says, are you sure you want to delete the data table? This action cannot be undone. If you wish to proceed, click onto this delete button and now you can see that the data table has been successfully deleted. So that was all for this particular video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, to make sure to give it a like. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.